Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. I really do appreciate it, honestly. Sharing is caring, and just thank you for liking the videos and thank you for your subscription. Okay, so I just want to say sorry for not making any videos for the past week. I think since last Thursday. It's because my grandmother passed away, so I've just took a bit of time off. Okay, but my grandma wouldn't want me to mope around forever, so I'm just going to try and get back on with the videos right now. But bless her, she passed away, and it's awful. It happens to each and every one of us, doesn't it? But it's not nice. But onwards and upwards, as she would say. So right now, Bitcoin, as anticipated, you know, I did say to you, potentially, if you do start to roll over here, put some cheeky bids on this 55, because I do think you'll be fruitful. And right now, you know, that is proving to be fruitful, because off that 55, Bitcoin is up. Not mega, but it's up around about 3.25%. So it's holding it as support at the moment, which is fantastic. We have got a reversal pattern here as well. You know, you've got a double M top pattern and essentially a descending triangle on the daily time frame. So we'll have a look, see if that technical target's been met right now, and you can see, yeah, well, it's been met, and then you've continued and then a wick down to the 55 support. So you have carried out a technical target, and it does look like it's some kind of ABC correction as well. Okay, so you've got some kind of A down, B high, and then C wave correction just there for Bitcoin, just like you're doing corrections. Look, A, B, C, correction done, A, B, C, correction done. Do you see that? So what we're looking for now is some kind of reversal pattern for Bitcoin moving forward. This is a key level resistance just there for Bitcoin. Okay, it's holding a key level support, which is amazing. So that's a key level resistance, 64135. You do start to see Bitcoin come back up, got to take that out, holding back to support, and you're looking at a new impulsive wave to the upside, aren't you, for Bitcoin? So, you know, we are in an impulsive wave target once we take out this eye just there. Okay, getting a little bit extended. I did see a lot of people drawing a potential rising wedge here. Okay, I don't necessarily see that rising wedge that was forming just here, because, you know, at the minute you've got some kind of broadening wedge. Do you see that? You've got some kind of broadening wedge. You've got resistance there, resistance, support, resistance, fell back to its support and holding it. So you've got some kind of broadening wedge. So we will keep an eye on this pattern moving forward for Bitcoin. If you hold this support here, it's all about holding this support right now. If this is the low and we start to bottom out, create some reversal pattern and break up, boom, this is, you're out of here basically, you know. And we do need to keep an eye on this level of resistance moving forward, because potentially get caught in a bit of chop like this until you break this key level resistance. Okay, so it's looking good. It is looking good, to be honest with you. You are still making high lows. Look, got a low there, and that's a higher low. You got a high and a higher high. So technically you're coming up, you're bullish. Okay, I would not be concerned until you start to come down and retest this low. Okay, I know a lot of people are saying that we're going to come down here at 52.772. We could do. Okay, that is a possibility. Everything's possible. Don't necessarily envision it at the moment though. And like I said to you, look, come down, put some cheeky bids on the 55. I do think that that could potentially be your low for Bitcoin, because it's exactly what it did in the previous bull run in November. You know, I kept going over this with you. You got a double M top pattern just there in the previous November. You came down, wicked off to 55, and then you were gone scare. You broke that level of resistance there, previous level of resistance of support that you lost of the double M top pattern with a rollover, and then you boom, broke it, and then you were gone. Do you see that? You never even came back to test the support. So that's how bullish Bitcoin was. V-shaped recovery, see you later. So, you know, and that was in November as well. When was that? 13th of November, broke out there, 15th, see you later. So the time frame is relatively similar, isn't it? You know, and these are the most two bullish months for crypto, November and December. You know, and technically, you know, like I said to you, if in doubt, zoom out. You are still bullish. You're making high highs and high lows. You know, for me, no reason to be concerned until you start to come down and retest that high. Okay, if you start to lose that, and especially this low down here, then yeah, you'll see me change my stance from I don't think we're going to go up this side of Christmas to potentially come down, bottom out, and then go up. Do you understand that? So for me, he's still looking really, really good for continuation. Basically, it was a little bit of greed here, a bit of a shake out of the bulls, you know, a bit of a reset, take out some of the leverage, you know, too much greed basically, and yeah, just reset some of the levels as well. We're a bit overeating. I do like to see these EMAs tighten up. You know, look at the tightening up just there, came back together, broke out basically. So is the correction done? Well, possibly, you know, I've not got a crystal ball, but it possibly is. If we can create some kind of beautiful reversal pattern right now on the daily, just like we did down here, you know, come up, come down, make a higher low, break out, see you later, up you go. You know, for me, you have got key levels of support just there that everyone is anticipating this retest of this high, aren't they? Okay, Yes, it may come, but what I like to do is look at the fibs. You just look at the fibs, okay? You've got this key level here, 786. So if you do start to see a roll, I would put some cheeky bids on the 786 at 54702, where I do think there'll be a bounce, and you might have a deeper A, B, C leg down, bounce, see you later, okay? Potentially. So if you do start to see this loss as support on the 55 EMA on the daily time frame, just put some cheeky bids on the 786 at 54702, okay? And that will hold. It always does. The fibs always hold anyway. When you're falling down, they always hold as support. Look, you got your bounce there, come back up and then lost it. You had that capitulation just there. Look, when you came down, what happened? You bounced off the golden ratio, came back up, and then you load out. You know, it works through the fibs. It's amazing. So yeah, when you use the fibs, you've got a kind of cheat sheet, haven't you? You know, so it's looking okay. It's looking okay, but you're not completely out the woods yet for Bitcoin. That's what I'm trying to say to you. But so far, it is kind of playing out like the previous cycle. It's uncanny. Okay, got your double M top pattern, descending triangle effectively, rolled over, lost support, met the technical target. You're holding this key level support, which is 55. Create a double bottom pattern, some kind of reversal pattern here over the next day. So let's have a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, there was some kind of bear pennant there, wasn't there, that carried out as well, which is obviously a technical target of a descending triangle as well. Came up, a little bit of fake out, rolled over. Right now, this could be quite, you know, this could be looked as a bit of a W bottom pattern that's starting to form just there. So you need to see some high lows on the cards on the 4 hour like this and get some kind of ascending triangle like this. Look, boom, 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 boom. Break out, start to come back up, get back above these EMAs as well. Hold them back tests of support and break out this neckline just there, this previous level resistance at 64155. Start to come back up and your correction's over and your correction's done. You know, and you've shook out all the weak hands basically for Bitcoin right here, moving forward. So yeah, that's basically Bitcoin. I do apologize that I've not been doing updates. I will try and get more updates out on all these projects as well. And you know, if you're wondering about Cardano or XRP or anything like that, if you look at them, they are holding strong. Okay, they are holding strong. And like I said to you so many times, your coin can be doing really, really well, but if Bitcoin rolls over and shits the bed, then you're going down with it, mate. It don't matter how good your project is, okay, because Bitcoin's a steam train, isn't it? It pulls the whole market with itself, you know. So that's just a quick little update for you today on Bitcoin. I'll be back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you once again for your support. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.